Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove your Gmail address from spammy websites or apps. So if you sign into a website, you probably sign into website or apps with your Gmail account and you want to remove the access or your email from that kind of spammy or unwanted apps that you sign into. This is what you are going to do. You can just open your Gmail, click on your photo at the top right corner and tap on manage your Google account. So it will direct you to your Google account. You can go to the security, and in here you can just scroll down until you find this option, your connections to third-party apps and services. So this includes apps and also websites that you've signed in using your Google account. So you can just click on see all connections and you'll see lots of apps and webs that use your Gmail address. So you can just choose which one that you want to remove. For example, in here I want to remove my Gmail from Wattpad. You can just click on the options that you want, the apps that you want to remove, and then here you can, at the bottom you'll see delete all connection you have with the apps or website. You can click on this, and here Google will ask you again, when you delete this connection you might not be able to use this app again, including features and others, and it will remove from your Google account. You sign into your Google account and your data in here that you share with Wattpad will not be deleted. If you want to delete the data and info you share with Wattpad, you need to visit Wattpad. You can just click on confirm. So you're no longer connected to the webs or apps, and after that if you want to remove another connection you can just choose the apps again and then follow the same steps. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.